Bunny likes to investigate. At the moment he's at the back of the house, in the utility room. But as soon as I make some food noises, he is right back. Here you are, Bunny. Oh, there you go. Oh, he's excited. Maybe he's hungry. So let's see if he likes lettuce. Do you like lettuce, Bunny? I think you do. Oh. The bunny likes the green part of lettuce most. So if we offer him a white part of lettuce, I don't think he'll want it. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Let's watch him enjoy the beautiful, lovely lettuce. Bunny? Bun? I think he's looking for more lettuce. Okay, let's look here. Bunny? Bun? Okay, Bunny. He's keen. Bun? Look, green. He's looking for more. Bun? Come. There we go. Oh, 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 oh. Yep, green. Now let's see what he does if we offer white lettuce. No, white. Oh no, he wants the green stuff. Green for Bun. But it's going to drop. How cute is he? Well done, Bunny. So he loves this stuff. So if we put it over here, let's see how long it takes Bunny to get to the green. Where is he? He's still going. Oh, Bunny. Oh, yeah. It's funny because he's not actually finished these bits, because he likes the green first and the white afterwards. These are funny little thing. Bun. Let's see how long he takes. Bunny. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, there he is. Let's put a bit here. Oops, there we go. A bit there. And some more in his bowl. And watch him having fun. Let's get close. Oh, you're so cute, aren't you, Bunny? So fluffy. So hungry. Let's see if he finds this piece next. Green on top of the green tube. Sometimes he does. Sometimes he thinks it's in here. Look at that disaster. Ooh. Sometimes he thinks Daddy's got it. Oi! Did you hear that? I just pulled a piece of hay off his bottom into the bowl there. So that's Bunny enjoying a bit of lettuce. And we'll let him finish it off and eat in peace. He still hasn't found the other bit on top of the green tube. But never mind. Well, let's see if he does. Nope. He'll find it later. Well, don't forget to give Bunny a big old thumbs up. And to give Bunny the love, the Bunny love, subscribe to the channel and help us continue to make Bunny videos. Say goodbye, Bunny. Goodbye. Bye. Bye, Daddy. Bye, Bunny friends.